Okay, y'all, so I'm just showing you what I use to make my chocolate covered Oreos. I use some candy melts with some paraffin flakes, my molds, and my Oreos. And I put the paraffin flakes in there to help smooth out the consistency of the chocolate. As you can see how smooth it is, you put it in the molds. I like to put a nice amount at the bottom, but not too much because I don't like a thick barrier of chocolate when you're biting into it. It's hard and I don't want to crack a tooth. So you want to make sure you get all the sides of the molds, get it in there real good, as you can see. Then you can push the Oreo in just a little, not too much, because you don't want to flip this out and see Oreo at the bottom because you did too much. And then you put the Oreo in, you put chocolate on top. As you can see, I had to move mine around a lot because I had air bubbles, so I kind of knocked it on the table to get that off. Put it in the fridge for like 10 minutes. Flip them out of these molds, which are awesome. I love them. They're super easy to get out. I didn't grease, I didn't do anything. I just put my chocolate in. You flip it out. As you can see, the bottom of the Oreo is a bit jagged. I don't really care too much about it, but I like to take my fingers and smooth out the bottoms just to kind of have a flat surface. This is where the fun comes in. So with the leftover candy melts, I put them in a piping bag and I just decorate my Oreos the way I feels like I want to decorate. Too much, not enough, doesn't matter. It's mine. And I put some Valentine's Day sprinkles on there just to kind of pizzazz it up a little bit. But that's it, y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed this super easy dessert to make, even with the kids. But have fun. Enjoy.